We will be completing our resin keychains by adding keyring to them. So the first process is using this hand drill. We will aim in the middle of the keychain and then start to drill slowly. We will drill it by pushing it back and forth in a very light and slow motion. Don't do it too fast. Do it very slowly when you're just beginning. So I'm just showing you a cross view angle of how you need to do it. After it is completed, just pull back the handle very slowly from the keychain and then proceed to another keychain and then drill this one too, and then after you are done, pull back the handle slowly. Now repeat the same process with the other keychain. If you'd like to buy these, then you can find link in the description below. So make sure that the handle goes from the other way out, because then if the hole will not be drilled completely. And just clean up all the mess that you have done. It is very essential to clean all the stuff, because resin dust is harmful to our respiratory system and also to our health. So now we are going to proceed with the connector. We are going to use a silver colored connector. Just see the connector, it should be like this. And then we are going to use pliers, and then we need a cutter too to just cut the extra length of the connector. So just stretch the connector with both of your fingers and then insert it in the keychain hole. So I'm just using mild force to just turn the connector a little so that it's easier to insert. And then I'm using cutter to cut all the extra edges from both the sides. You can either cut extra from one side or a little bit from both sides. It depends on you. And then this is the silver keyring we need. I have inserted the keyring into the connector, and then I'm just using pliers to mold the connector so that there's no gap in the middle, so that the keyring doesn't come out. Make sure it is tight enough. And this keychain is now complete. So just proceed the same procedure with all the other keychains. Just stretch, insert the connector, and then cut the extra edges and insert the keyring, and it's done. If you benefited from this video, then please make sure to like it. So some will be easier to insert and some will be a little difficult. So I'm just cutting from one side to show you all this time. If you have any doubt, then put it down in the comments below and I'll be sure to help. So just insert the keyring and then mold the connector using the pliers. Also let me know if you want a tutorial of these keychains, so next time I'll be sure to upload it. This one is also done. So this is the complete result. Please subscribe if you found the video helpful.